Welcome back to Taste the Word with Julia. Today we are baking Zwiebelkuchen, which is a traditional German onion pie. It's a classic autumn bake in Germany. For Zwiebelkuchen, we will need 240 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of soft butter, 160 milliliters of milk, 1¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast or instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then for the filling, we will need 2 tablespoons of butter, just over 1 kilogram of yellow onions, 360 milliliters of sour cream, around 200 grams of bacon, 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and freshly grounded black pepper. Okay, we will start with the dough. As I'm using instant yeast, I will not have to activate the yeast. If you are using active dry yeast, dissolve the yeast and sugar in lukewarm milk and let it stand for about 5 minutes until it looks foamy. Add the salt to the flour, make a well in the center, drop in the cubes of butter and pour in the milk mixture. Knead with the dough hook for about 6 minutes until smooth. Shape the dough into a ball, place it into an oiled bowl and cover loosely, and then let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour. While the dough is rising, we will do the filling. Now for the filling, we will cut the bacon into pieces and fry it in a large pan. Then we add sliced onions and 2 tablespoons of butter. Lower the heat and let everything slowly caramelize. This takes about 30 to 40 minutes. In a large bowl, whisk together the sour cream, eggs, flour, salt, and the black pepper. Stir in the cooled onion and bacon mixture until everything is combined. Press the risen dough into the base and up the sides, leaving about 1 centimeter from the top. Try to work quickly because the dough will want to shrink back. If you enjoy recipes from around the world, subscribe to Taste the World with Julia. Pour the onion filling straight into the crust. It will hold the dough in place. Then bake on the middle shelf at 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour, or until the top is light golden brown and the center feels firm to touch. Let the Zwiebelkuchen cool for at least 20 minutes before slicing. It's delicious warm, lukewarm or even cold the next day. That's how you make proper German Zwiebelkuchen at home. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Watch the next video here.